What's going on, Nick Nation? It's your boy. Please like and subscribe and enjoy. Thank you.
On a scale from 1 to 10, it says these are freaking hot. And of course, the G Fuel. Gamer fuel, bro. Yeah, don't go to LAX. It's way too expensive. I'm also pretending to be on the phone so I don't look as stupid here.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
I'm in the very last seat of the plane.
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Hola, bien.
¿Hablas español?
Little bit.
Spanish?
Kind of badass, not gonna lie. I'm gonna take this bottom bed down here and just big chill. This is gonna take some getting used to, man. So we just climbed the La Paz volcano. I'm probably not pronouncing that right. And once we got to the top, within a span of 5 minutes, it went from like pure sunny to you can't see very far and raining. They also make us wear hard hats because there is a serious chance of an eruption. You ever seen a Costa Rican duck? Nope.
Oh no!
Those waterfalls, we went the wrong way at one point, so we had to climb up so many stairs and I was physically in pain. And then getting home was terrible. It took like 2 to 3 hours to get dropped off, and I got dropped off at the company's place that I'm doing this with, and I had no idea how to get home. So it's the next day, and I have no idea if you can see me or not. I slept like crap last night. Look at the size of that thing. I am terrified of spiders. Hell nah. Don't mind me.
Yeah. Oh, is that a GoPro?
Yeah.
Nice.
I make travel videos and stuff, so.
Okay,
Cool.
That's
Yeah.
Awesome. I'm surprised you just whipped it out.
Build upon ideas that work and kept the service efforts good at the projects, right? Cool. So now, ignore all this. Process. What does process mean? Ignore the words.
Dude, that's crazy to me that they have a Hooters in Costa Rica. That's awesome.
Like, so... just hop over the chair.
Get it there. Any advice?
Yeah. Pretty much a dumb moment. Yeah.
Alright, I was gonna end it there, but I'm gonna go look outside because I hear it and it just got really loud. Oh yeah, it's coming down. There's thunder now too. So did you come in late or what happened?
I didn't go to the orientation today.
Were you supposed to?
I don't know. They said I can go like tomorrow. So.
Yeah, at least you can make up for it.
Muchas gracias.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too.
Nice to meet you. Thank you so much for welcoming us.
Your friend, so he's a beautiful person.
Yeah.
It's Es que mira, yo lo pongo ahí en la cabaña y no estoy para nada.
You can enter, but you can never leave.
Mary says
Guaranteed they're making fun of us right now.
I know.
Maybe
Like almost
100%. 100%.
Dude, that was wild. I
That guy, no, that guy as well. Oh my
He
God,
was,
dude.
yeah.
Yeah, it's like, I don't even know.
I think he said he doesn't even work there. Isn't
That's
that
what I think.
That's
I
what he
was
said.
just
He
assuming
just
that-
said he drinks beer every day.
Well, that's what his friend was like. He's like
Ah.
a drunk or something. And then, I don't know, that's what I'm assuming. And then like the actual waitress comes over with like the notepad and I'm like, yeah, I don't think he works. I
Yeah.
don't think he works here.
I mean, at least he was super friendly though, but he was very, very persistent.
Yeah,
Here's the
yeah.
thing, when you first bring this piece of paper and he wrote these numbers, did
Mm-hmm.
you want like take advantage of us and take the money or something or what?
Yeah, about time.
Yep.
Can
Yeah.
you tell me how to
Yeah,
the
I'll,
water?
yeah, I'll show you. It's
Too complicated.
Good night, guys.
That bar was wild. You're never supposed to accept drinks from random people, obviously. And I may or may not have broken that rule. Oops. Good night. So I did a salsa class tonight, a salsa dancing class, but it turned out being so much fun and just so much fun.
Oh, I thought there was a bus to get in there too. No, I thought that we have to buy all three of them. I thought what's it called, that man again?
I think the driver has some of our.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I didn't know Austin has
Austin, that's right.
Yes, that's right.
Yeah. We've got the money. Austin. Okay.
One back there.
Uh-huh.
Not bad. Really can't believe.
So we just got to see sea turtles hatch on our very first night here, and I got videos of them with my phone walking to the ocean. Apparently the family who lives here too, their job is selling beer to the whole town. So Brady told me that he told them that I'm a bartender and I might be helping out selling beer. You ready for the 12 p.m. to 4 a.m. shift? We might get to see the sun come up though. That'll be cool. I'm actually learning a pretty decent amount of Spanish while I'm here. There's like certain phrases that I'm using a ton, and like certain ones that I want to look up for like very specific things. Like, me gustan tus tatuajes. Muchas gracias para la comida. Everyone's so nice here. Like, I say thank you for everything, and they're very nice about it. And I think they're pretty understanding that like I don't speak a whole lot of Spanish. I wish I knew a little bit more Spanish so I could talk to them more. But, I mean, they kind of understand.
Okay, how does that make it go? It will. It will? Yeah. Where's the bucket?
What's wrong, dude?
In the bathroom. It's a big white bucket.
You don't want to leave it there? Move. So I made a bracelet and it actually turned out pretty good. They said I'd get a gold star. Feels like I'm back in kindergarten, dude. Heard you're having good luck out here.
Yeah, I got 3, 4.
The one's in the bucket?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You did pretty good. You beat me.
Look at them on top of each other. There's 3 there.
There's so many.
So the colour of the poison dart frog depends on what habitat they're in and what they eat. So they vary, and different colours are more poisonous than others.
Yeah.
Aren't you gonna do 3?
Huh?
Aren't you gonna do 3?
I can't do 3.
That's juggling.
I'll make it work. You're dropping on my toe.
Whoa.
It doesn't look like I know what I'm doing.
Yeah, try and put one through your leg.
Ow.
There you go. One more time. One more time.
A little spin or something.
Ah! Whoa.
Oh, right in the nose. Oh. Oh. Here, will you take a picture?
So, today is actually my 24th birthday, and I accomplished my goal of just trying to be out of the country on my birthday. That was a big reason to why I did this. Brady. Brady. 12:07.
What?
Have a nice nap.
I think so. I remember. What are they?
It's not the same.
He's just so happy. His last is still in here too?
Yeah. Right here.
Just chilling. Personal bug net coming in clutch.
You know, live inside the apartment.
Yep. You buddy?
Should we all get along?
Yep. You're a good role model, Brady.
Oh, don't. That's enough. You need to settle down over there. Oh, frick! Ah, camera.
Buddy. Alright, you ready for this?
Got it.
Alright, go, go, go! Oh, dude, it's so bad! Bye, Lou! Oh my... Oh no! Holy shit! Ah! Dude! I can't, oh! You dropped your sandals? Dude!
Go, go, go.
Oh my god! Oh my god, I'm already soaking wet! Dude, this is crazy! Oh, the star! Yeah! Oh. Just because I'm packing up and.
I'm telling him. Braden couldn't come, so he sent us.
Oh, that'd be very
Braden.
kind.
I keep saying Braden.
It's all good.
That wouldn't be true.
Oh.
Oh, it's stuck on the crack though. That's smart.
Oh.
Whatever.
Those are not budging.
Yeah, the blocks are very, very stuck together.
Nothing is moving.
Yeah, I'll tell you one thing, these ones move. So
Yeah.
I didn't even pull it. Oh, that's a stupid bat.
get out of here.
Oh, it's still in here.
Yeah, it's not going out. Oh my god. I don't even know why I'm afraid of it.
Every window and door is open. Get out.
Oh, why am I afraid? I shouldn't be afraid of this thing. It's just a bat.
All you, baby. After 6 hours of traveling, we finally made it back to Maximo Nivel. Shout out to Anna for being my travel partner on the bus for like 4 hours.
My jelly?
Where you had your in it.
I did. My jelly?
I'm back at the original place, man. The trip's coming to an end. Oh, it's so sad.
I just really like that. To work there. It's nice just to stay like you, 2 weeks, or just a few days.
So I made it to the airport. And my flight over here included the carry-on and the personal item. And I bought it in like a package deal, but for some reason this flight did not include the carry-on. So I had to pay an extra $30 to check my bag.